Welcome to Crash Data. Real crashes, real mistakes, and real lessons. Keep your eyes on the road, always. If you must check something, pull over. That small choice can save lives. Every clip here is a real reminder. These people didn't plan to crash, but it happened. And it can happen to anyone.
Holy
Drive smart,
shit.
stay alert, and respect the road. And these
Oh my
are the
God.
lessons. When something goes wrong, panic makes it worse. Oversteering, slamming brakes too hard, or freezing completely. People talk about accidents like they're just part of driving. But most of the time, they're not accidents, they're choices. You chose to check your phone. You chose to cut someone off. You chose to rush that red light. And sometimes, the choice you make is the one someone else pays for. That's the reality. It's not just about you.
You fuckhead. You fuckhead.
Look, no one's perfect. We all get tired. We all get frustrated in traffic. But the road doesn't care. It's not going to wait until you feel better or more focused. 1 second of not paying attention is enough. Speed is another big one. Most people who speed don't even realize how fast they're going. It feels normal until you lose control, until your brakes can't save you, until your car spins out on a turn. Speed limits aren't there to annoy you. They're there because someone already crashed there before. Learn from that. Don't be the next example.
God. Just indicate, pull over. You're okay. You're okay.
Uber Eats does not deliver bees, obviously.
I should have just ordered peas, makes it...
Oh God.
There's nothing wrong with being on that. I think the unemployment disability benefits were made for people like certain people who just can't fucking work for a living.
It's been removed.
What else? Well, I uploaded, I gave you the links to my...
Oh shit. Holy fuck.
What the fuck? He's crashed! I'm gonna get over now. We'll have to help you. No.
fuck, dude?
Recording started.
Multiple times. Yeah, you're right near you.
I thought this guy was.
Start recording emergency video.
Drool, poop, dysgeusia, hurts to poop, hematochezia.
To watch the world come from. It's huge, isn't it? Which is why, and I said this is an England fan, we always...
As you finish watching this, take a moment. Think about the people you care about. Think about how much they mean to you. Every time you start your car, make them your reason to drive safer. Because the truth is, crashes don't just destroy metal, they destroy lives. Share this video not for likes, but to save someone's life. Let this not be just another video. Let it be a message. Subscribe to Crash Data for more real stories from real roads. And please, stay alert, stay alive, stay human.